Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install a Shopify theme on your computer or local machine and connect it to a development store. By the end of this video, you will be able to create, customize, and test Shopify themes directly from your computer. I will follow a Shopify tutorial and you can see the link in my browser shopify.dev/docs. Shopify provides excellent documentation, and as a developer, it's important to build the habit of reading official docs. It's like the constitution for programmers, the highest and most reliable source of information on that particular topic. I will also provide the link with the video. Let's get started. Before we begin, here is what you will need. Shopify Partners account, a development store, Shopify CLI installed, Git, Node.js and NPM, a code editor, for example VS Code. You can use any of your choice. Make sure you have set up your Shopify Partners account, created a development store, and installed all the tools before continuing. If you need help, watch my previous videos where I have covered these topics. The UI of the documentation website changes from time to time. When you are watching this video, the website may look different. Don't panic, just try to find out the tutorial where Shopify will show you how to create a theme. We can click here, create a theme using Dawn. It will take us to the tutorial, or in case in future if you don't find this button, then you will click on storefronts. From there, themes, getting started, click on this toggle button and create a theme. Step 1. Initialize a new theme using Dawn. Let's click here. Why Dawn? Shopify mentions this on their website. Dawn is Shopify's reference theme built for performance, flexibility, and ease of use. You can use Dawn as the starting point for building a theme. So we will use Dawn and follow the tutorial. First, let's copy this command by clicking on this little icon and go to the folder where you want to install the theme. I'm inside an empty folder. Open your terminal or command prompt. Here I will press Alt D and type CMD to open the command line. Now paste the command by pressing Ctrl V or Command V on Mac and hit enter. You will be prompted to enter a name for your theme, like my new theme. The theme will be cloned into a folder with that name. I will enter my new theme and press enter. Our theme has been installed successfully. Recently, I have updated Shopify CLI, and after that, it has stopped showing the success message. Now, navigate to the folder where the theme was cloned by typing cd my new theme and hit enter. Now that we have entered the theme folder, it's time to connect the theme to your Shopify store. Let's copy the command by clicking the icon button and head over to a terminal. Make sure you are in the theme folder. Then paste Shopify theme dev -- store. We need to replace the store name with the actual name of our store. Go to the dashboard of your development store and copy the part after store/tools-iot. Tools-iot is the store name. So I will copy this part, remove store name and paste, press enter. If you're using Shopify CLI for the first time, then it will ask you to log in. Let's log in and verify. Press any key on your keyboard. I will sign in with Google. Choose my account. Confirm and log in. Press this button. And we have successfully logged in into our Shopify CLI. We can close this tab and return to our terminal. You need to enter your store password. So let's get back to the website dashboard. Click on Online Store. See Store Password. Click on this button. It will take us to the Preferences tab. Online Store, from there Preferences tab. And you can see my store password is Shopify. Let's copy it. Paste the password and click enter. The success message is showing. We can open our development theme by clicking on this link. Before clicking, we need to press Ctrl or Command and then click on this link. This is the normal process of installing Shopify theme and connecting it to a development store. But if you notice a message on our command line on terminal, it says info. You are using the new version of Shopify theme dev. Run Shopify theme dev -- legacy to switch back to the previous version. In your development journey, there will be moments when things don't go exactly as planned. It's normal to face challenges, but what's important is how you approach them. Sometimes you will need to try multiple solutions before you find the one that works. That's why patience is key. Now let's stop the running command by pressing Ctrl C or Command C on Mac and type Shopify theme dev -- legacy and press enter. Shopify CLI has uploaded the development theme. We can open it on our browser by clicking this link, press Ctrl and click. I need to enter my store password. We can preview our development theme on the live link. Let's open the theme editor and make some changes. We can click here and open the link on the theme editor. Let's press Ctrl and click on it. Our theme has opened on the theme customizer. If we make changes, and save it, let's refresh the page. The text has been changed. I need to mention one thing. You need to pass the store flag for the first time or only when you want to change your development store. Otherwise, we need to enter Shopify theme dev. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. See you in the next one.